In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift a chess.com membership. If you've ever wanted to surprise someone who loves chess, gifting a membership is quick and thoughtful. I'll walk you through the entire process from picking a plan to making sure the recipient can activate their premium features without a hitch. First, head to the dedicated gifting page on chess.com. This is a special page designed just for gift purchases, separate from regular subscriptions, so you can easily choose a plan for someone else. Next, choose the plan and duration. You'll see membership tiers like Gold, Platinum, and Diamond, along with options for 1 month or 1 year. Use the toggle and gift buttons to make your selections. If you're not sure which tier to pick, think about how your recipient uses the site. Gold is great for essentials, while Diamond unlocks the most features and training tools. A 1-month gift is perfect for a trial. A 1-year gift makes a more lasting present. Now enter the recipient's details. You can use either their email address or their chess.com username. Take a moment to double-check spelling here. Small typos can delay delivery. You'll also add your own email so you receive the purchase receipt and confirmation. You can schedule the delivery, which is perfect for birthdays or special occasions. Choose a date up to 90 days in advance. Keep time zones in mind if you want the gift to land on a specific day for the recipient. If you don't need scheduling, you can send it right away. There's also a box to add a personal message. Keep it short and friendly, and let them know what they're getting. This message will appear with the gift and adds a nice personal touch.